I made a last-minute decision. I signed up for a car show that's happening tomorrow. The problem is, my car isn't ready. So today, I've got one day to get it prepared. Let's see how far I will get. I want to start with fog lamps, because this is an ongoing issue that was annoying me for a long time. The lens is made of glass and they're mounted low to the ground. This is bad combination. They get hit by rocks and splashed by water and don't last long. This is my third set, and thanks to Amazon's overnight delivery, I was able to replace them before the show. This time, I did my research and will be trying something different. I'm adding a clear protective film. It's like your phone screen protector, but for your lights. It's simple to apply, and I hope this will prevent them from being damaged again. Next is the oil change. It's not exactly cosmetic, but we all know the car just drives so much better afterwards. And honestly, I don't even remember the last time I changed it. I always drain the oil while the engine is warm. Warm oil is thinner and flows better and faster. It's a good practice to look for metallic particles in your oil or oil filter when changing oil. This can indicate engine wear, especially in our M cars, which are prone to rot, wear and wear. I like to use Mayhel oil filter because it's identical to BMW filter, but for half the price. This time I use random man filter I found in my toolbox. Fits okay, but I'd rather use Mayhel next time. Since I'm already in here, I decided to wash the engine bay also. That's when I realized I forgot to reconnect throttle position sensor after the oil change. If you ever do this, make sure the engine is cold. Spraying water on hot engine can crack or warp stuff from heat shock. And avoid spraying directly at the headlights. I made that mistake and ended up with moisture inside one of them, as you can see here. In case you were wondering why wheel cleaner turns purple, it's because of a chemical reaction with iron particles like brake dust. This means the product is actually working. I also tried it on exhaust tips, and it worked better than I expected. I've seen it on TikTok, so I wanted to try it myself. Always rinse your sponge in clean water while washing. This keeps the dirt off and avoids scratching the paint. And when drying, go back and forth, not in circles. This helps prevent swirl marks. I tried polishing one section of the paint just to see if it would make a difference. It wasn't good enough to keep going, but I did polish headlights and gave them a quick coat of Maguire spray. This is a quick fix and should last for several months. I'll be replacing these lenses later as part of the full rectification projects anyway. For the interior, just a quick clean. I use Jay Leno's Garage leather conditioner. It smells like new leather and it doesn't make it shiny or greasy. Somehow I made it. The car looked good, it ran strong and even got some track time. Not bad for one day turnaround. This little rush project reminded me why I started doing this, fixing things properly, even under pressure. It's about bringing things back to the condition they deserve to be in. If that's the kind of work you appreciate, stick around. There is a lot more coming.